When you don't have your caulk gun, you stick the flex on it. Squeeze. We never have to use a caulk gun again, man. That's the power to it. It takes a lot. You know, it happens when you leave the caulk gun behind. Oh yeah. Up and down, up and down, up and down. You got it? You got what it takes? Got what it takes? Ooh, with the hammer and the flex strong. Look at these arms. It's all in the palm. He'd be a good arm wrestler, you know that? Just so you guys know, you just need one hell of a guy named Flex, flathead, or a hammer, and let him go to work.